Welcome to Beamz DJ tutorial number 2. Next, we're going to set up the center button to work with the demo version of Traktor DJ software. Open Traktor first, then open Beamz DJ. We'll begin by entering a sequence of keystrokes that will load the first 2 tracks from the demo track collection into decks A and B respectively. Okay, now click on the center button and add these keystrokes. F3, which opens track collection number 3. Down arrow, which steps into the collection. Up arrow, which positions to the first track. Control/left arrow, which loads it into deck A. Down arrow, which selects the next track in the collection. Control/right arrow, which loads it into deck B. All of these keystrokes will be sent as a sequence when the center button is pressed. This is a good example of how to use keystroke sequences to do some advanced controller programming. If we stopped at this point, each time you press the center button, it would load demo 1 and 2 into decks A and B. This is probably something you would only use once during a performance, which would be a waste of a perfectly good trigger for the rest of the time you spend performing. We're going to take advantage of another Beamz DJ feature and add some other one-time steps to do other things when the center button is triggered again. To add additional stepped mappings, double-click on the next unused row. You can add as many steps as you like. Let's add 4 more steps. Play deck A. You need the letter A. Play deck B. The letter Z. Stop deck A. A. Stop deck B. Z. By the way, you can move assignments up and down on the list by selecting and clicking on the up and down arrows. Clicking on Delete will remove the selected step from the list. Clicking on Clear will empty the whole row. Okay, go back and adjust the display field to reflect everything the trigger will do now. This is what you see while you're performing. It should briefly describe what the trigger does. Let's call it Load. Play A, B, stop A, B. Now the center button is using 5 different stepped mappings. So let's try it out. When using the Beamz controller, be sure you put the focus on the Traktor software. The first time the button is pressed, it will load both decks from demo 1 and 2. The second time, deck A will start playing. The third time, deck B will start playing. The fourth time, deck A will stop. The fifth time, deck B will stop. If you press it a 6th time, it would go back to step 1 and start stepping down the list again. Okay, we have mapped the Beamz center button in a way to demonstrate some of the cool features in Beamz DJ. You have seen how to map a single keystroke, how to map a sequence of keystrokes, and how to use a different keystroke map each time the trigger is broken. Okay, that's it for tutorial number 2. Next up, we're going to look into some more advanced techniques with Beamz DJ. Thanks a lot.